Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Convert benzene to Meta-Chloroaniline. First we can draw the reactant and product. So what is the reactant? Benzene, right? So benzene. Okay, and what is the product? Product is Metachloroaniline. So we have aniline, NH2 group, and then we have meta position chlorine. Before starting conversion, see, we have to make a strategy to follow. See, if you check, you can see chlorine on meta position. Okay, so we need a group here which is meta directing, and that group is supposed to convert to NH2 group in the next step. Do you know any meta directing group which can easily convert to NH2? Of course, NO2 is there, right? NO2 is there. You know nitrobenzene undergo reduction in the presence of lead and HCl to give aniline, right? Okay, so we can do that. So we start from benzene. First you have to nitrate it, HNO3 and H2SO4. We got nitrobenzene, correct, right? Now nitrobenzene is meta directing group. Just chlorinate it. What you have to do? You can add Cl2 and FeCl3, correct? See, on adding you will be getting what? You will be getting, see, meta position. You can get chlorine, right? Now what we are doing? See, we are going to reduce NO2 group by adding what? By adding tin and HCl. So what you are getting? You are getting, see, meta position you have chlorine. So what is the name of the product? It is Metachloroaniline. Very easy, right? First we introduce NO2 group. For what purpose? For directing the chlorine to the meta position. After that, see, NO2 group is replaced by what? NH2 group. So that we are getting Metachloroaniline.